Now, a lawsuit filed today on behalf of the family of the teen who was killed on an Orlando amusement park ride. It has been 1 month since 14-year-old Tyre Sampson fell at least 100 feet to his death. An investigation showed that the harness might not have been secure enough, and now this lawsuit is going after a long list of corporations. 10 Tampa Bay's Liz Crawford spoke with one of the family's attorneys. Liz.
Well, that lawsuit was filed just a couple of hours ago, and it names the amusement park and a number of other companies who allegedly failed to provide a safe ride. On March 24th, Tyre Sampson was visiting Orlando for spring break when he fell from the free fall ride at Icon Park to his death. According to the lawsuit, the ride is the tallest of its kind and reaches speeds of more than 75 miles per hour. Tyre Sampson was 6'2" and 380 pounds. The family's attorney says weight restrictions were not posted.
There was no restrictions about weight whatsoever. There wasn't a scale at the park. There wasn't anything that would have prevented Tyre from getting onto that ride. And that's so important because even the manufacturer's manual has a weight restriction. Tyre never should have even been on that ride in the first place.
Now, an investigation by the state found that the seat Sampson was sitting in had been manually adjusted, allowing the harness to have a 7-inch opening compared to a more normal 3.5-inch gap. You can see the difference right there in those two photos. Now, the lawsuit says most free fall rides like this have harnesses and seat belts. This ride did not have seat belts, which would have cost about $22 per seat to install. We're going to have more from this lawsuit coming up at 6.
And a lawyer representing the ride operating company, we spoke with them. They said all protocols and safety measures provided by the ride manufacturer were followed.